Cuckoo, cuckoo.
She's the one who's cuckoo. This girl and this girl.
Y'all
this guy.
Y'all are both crazy.
You're the goober.
Beverly.
After we filled up on some lunch, we were ready to tackle the second half of our day. Now, if you remember, while we were eating lunch, Everly had the super cute Hey Hey ears on. Well, I hope you took a good look because that is the last time you're going to see them. Unfortunately, she sat them on the table while we were eating and we all rushed off and left her ears there. We did go back to try to find them, but they were already gone. We probably should have checked the lost and found, but at that point, we just called it a loss. So we went and jumped on the Buzz Lightyear ride and took out our frustrations shooting all the things.
Attention, space rangers. Instructions are now being started. Apparently, you know
How long was the wait?
2,000
Well, it
minutes.
said 50 from right there, and then like literally 90 seconds later, we're up here. So I don't know. I'm confused.
I think it was 50 seconds.
It took 2,000 years.
Beverly,
It did not take 2,000 years. It took
Hey.
a little bit.
where's your ears?
I'm not talking about that. Look at the corner.
It's right there.
Swim all the way down.
Not my favorite.
Hello, friends.
Secure ship for sea. Naval preparations for getting underway.
Stand by, engines.
I don't like it down here. I can't get out.
We're just gonna like whales. Enjoy your
I'm
voyage.
so excited. Maybe
G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're on the way.
this is the bottom of the sea.
Set course directly.
Oh my goodness.
Look, there's Darla.
Yeah, that's Darla. Darla's here. And then we're going up stuff. I see a starfish. I think I see a starfish. I love this ride. We're going deep. Going deeper in the current.
270 degrees.
I don't know what's happening. It's like the current or the turtle. It's the current where the turtles go.
It's the Australian carp. It's like an undersea island. Many creatures can be found commuting in this carp, including the majestic sea turtle.
Yeah, there's Crush.
We're in the sea current. I think we're in
To the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
the current.
Yep, we're in the current.
It's right here.
Yeah.
I can't see it. We're going back up.
Yep.
And approaching our home port.
I saw.
Enjoy having you aboard on
I think I saw a body. Oh no, no,
Have a top day.
I thought I saw a body, but it was rocks. Crabbies.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Well, the girls absolutely loved the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Me, not so much. I'm a bit claustrophobic, so when you put me in something that I can't get out of and then stick me under the water, all I wanted to do was get out of there. But we made it and we went over to drive the cars. The girls absolutely loved this. Josh and I had to keep our foot on the gas pedal for them, but the steering and the driving was definitely all them.
Wow!
You gotta hold it straight. Lila, what'd you think?
Awesome! Yeah! Can we ride this ride again?
After we got a few more rides in, we were ready to just sit and relax for a little bit, so we hopped on the train. The girls really loved the train ride. It made several stops on the way, and it was a good way to just relax and kind of make a plan for the rest of the day. We decided to make a stop at Fantasyland and head for the famous spinning teacups.
Oh my gosh, are we gonna run into it? Oh, I actually thought we were gonna run into That was actually fun.
Yeah. Did you like that one?
Wait, are we gonna go again? Okay, that was fun. Yeah, it was,
Did
right?
you liked that one?
Yes.
Told you you would. Yeah, we're gonna go to space. You ready to go to space?
No.
Blue, Blue, come on, girls.
Have we done this before?
Nope.
No, I'll take.
I want to shoot.
I'm stressed out.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was trying to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out.
Oh my God,
and
Josh!
push forward to fly down.
Gosh!
Oh, watch
I
it.
don't like it!
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Y'all shoot! You gotta shoot everything!
How do we do that? How do we do that?
There's a Brett, there's a Bennett! Oh!
Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
Go in the go.
Black Shadow. Let's get out of here.
Try not to hit anything.
Hyperdrive has
Oh,
failed.
sure, yeah.
Pilots, evasive maneuvers.
Get him, Evan.
We've got Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride was a huge hit and always one of my favorites, but the Smuggler's Run, not so much.
I had to hold on to that rope so hard. I was so... Okay, we're never going on that ride again. Yeah, I was about to get glad.
I mean, that's what a cool ride, you know?
Yeah, it's kinda.
But
It's fast.
it was way too intense.
So what do you think?
Horrible. Horrible.
Y'all didn't like it?
No, I hate that.
Right, but no, man,
Okay, that.
That if you get motion sickness, forget it. If you have motion sickness, forget it.
See, I loved it.
Stressed.
I enjoyed it.
I mean, it was really cool. But
glad
I'm
we were
done.
back.
I was one and done with that.
Yep. Nicole is a terrible side-to-side driver, just FYI.
Well, you wouldn't pull us up and ran into the rocks.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. Off to Neverland.
We're off to Neverland. Peter Pan.
Guys, got you down. Take that.
That was fun.
Did you like that one?
I saw you. Was that cool? Yeah, I saw you.
I know, I saw you too. That was neat.
Yeah.
It's quick.
45 minutes for 5 minutes of joy.
As it was getting dark and the night was winding down, we kind of wanted to take it a little bit easy. So we took a ride on the carousel and then, of course, Dumbo. You know, as you get older, the thing that you realize about Disney is everything spins in a circle. Oh my gosh. But you know what? As a kid, you absolutely love it. And being back at Disney at nighttime, there's just something special about it.
Lila,
We had a yellow.
do you like that?
Yeah.
We finished our evening out all through Fantasyland and jumped on as many rides as we could before the girls just absolutely gave out. We had such an amazing first day at Disney. The girls were so excited. They didn't want to go back to the Airbnb, but they were so exhausted from all the adventures for their first day at Disney. We had a really, really great time. We survived our first day at the Magic Kingdom. Did y'all have a great time?
Yeah. The
I'm
girl.
exhausted.
They're so tired.
Yeah, it's been a long day. It's about almost 9 o'clock now.
8:52, I think.
The fireworks are at 9:30, so we're trying to hang on for that. But they're
That's
still
what
waiting
we
for
did
the
now.
fireworks. They want to see them, so
Yeah.
we're sitting right here at the castle.
Yeah.
So
Now I think we've ridden not all the rides, but a bunch of
just
them.
about all the ones that we wanted to be sure we hit today.
Yep. I think probably my favorite, still Pirates, but I liked the Millennium Falcon. What was that one called?
Smuggler's Run.
Yeah, Smuggler's Run. Nicole did not like it.
It made me seasick.
Everly, what was your favorite?
I think a Snow White and
Mr. Toad's, didn't you?
yeah, I like Mr. Toad's. It's funny.
Yeah. Lila, what was your favorite?
Pirates.
Pirates.
Pirates your favorite?
Awesome.
I don't like the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Mama, what was your favorite?
Pirates is always one of my favorites, but I really love Tiana's ride, the Bayou, however you say it, adventure.
The Bayou Adventure.
Bayou adventure. I thought that was really fun.
I don't like it.
I liked the music and the ride was very pretty. I liked it.
I liked every part except the going down.
Oh yeah. What was the scariest ride? Which one did y'all not like at all?
Tiana.
Man, y'all are little chickens.
I like Tiana, except I got soaked.
You like that? You like the flying one, the spaceship? Better
No, I
than
hate
Tiana?
that. No. Guess what she did? She crashed into everything.
Yeah.
Because Daddy wouldn't make the spaceship go up or down.
I made the spaceship go up and down. Mommy wouldn't go left and right.
Anyway, it's been a fun day. It's been a long day, but we're going to do it again tomorrow. We had such an amazing first day at Disney. Watching the girls experience for the first time is just something that I cannot even explain. They were so tired, we actually missed the fireworks on the first night. I was super sad about it, but we just really needed to get some rest and gear up for our next episode where we tackle the California Adventure Park. Be sure you like and subscribe so you can see all the new videos as they come out. Y'all stay safe.